Next, accept a string from the user. Convert into title case. Convert into title case letters. What is title case? Each word of the first letter should be capital. Okay. I want output like this. Okay. Input may be in different format. All small letters we may enter. Okay. Some small letters, some capital letters, and all capital letters also we can enter. We write this program, guys. See, some small, some capital. Some small, some capital letters. Okay, I want output like this. Each word of the first title case. Title case means each word of the first letter should be capital. Okay, we write this program, guys. See, we write this program. Accept a string from the user, convert into title case. Convert into title case. See how to write this. Okay, up to here same. And for loop also, what you have to write in the for loop? See, result string also. See, we have to convert. What you have to convert also we discuss. Okay, see this. Instead of this for loop, if I enter the small letters, example, if I enter hello space world, if I enter the small letter, I want to convert first h. I want to convert first h. Okay, how to convert first h? See, here I want to write for, not for, first letter I want to convert, right? How to convert first letter? A of 0 equals to, see guys, A of 0 minus 32. A of 0 minus 32. First letter converted. A of 0 equals to A of 0 minus 32. Guys, see, if I enter hello space world, okay, I will change the program. Listen first. First H converted. See guys, H converted. If I enter hello space world, H converted. Next W I want to convert. Okay, how to convert W? See how to convert W for what I'm doing here. If you get a space from first letter to last letter move. Here I will take 1. I equals to 1. First letter already converted. From first letter to last letter we have to move. Okay, how to move to the last letter? A of I not equals to null character. A of I not equals to null character I plus plus. What is this loop? It executes from 1 to n. 1 to that last character. Okay. Guys, what you have to write here? Tell me. Here, which letter you need to convert? This letter you need to convert, right? This letter you need to convert. Guys, how to write? What have to write?
If
Yeah,
A
Prithvi,
of I
what have to
equal
write
to
here?
space,
If I A of I equals to space,
then in the loop, A of I plus plus equal to
yeah,
A
next
of I
letter we
plus
need
plus
to
minus
convert, right?
32.
Next letter you need to convert. See, okay, if A of I equals to space, see guys, if A of I equals to 32, 32 means space. Okay, next letter I want to convert. How to convert the next letter? I plus plus I will write. I plus plus means go to the next character, convert them. Okay, how to convert it? A of I equals to A of I minus 32. A of I equals to A of I minus 32. See this. If you enter the small letters, all small letters, then this code will work. If you enter all small letter, if it is space, go to the next letter and convert them. See, if I enter hello space world. See guys, H converted and W also converted. W also converted. Okay, this code will work for if you enter all small letters. Now I will check it if I enter all capital letters. Hello space world. See what happened here. First H converted, this also converted. Okay, what you have to write here? If it is small only, then only we need to convert. If it is small, okay, how to write if it is small? If A of I equals to greater than or equals to 97 and A of I is less than or equals to 122, then only convert this. And same, this is also, if it is small only, then convert them. If A of I equals to, if A of I is greater than or equals to 97 and A of I is less than or equals to 122. See this. If A of I is greater than or equals to 97 and if it is small letter, then only convert. Example, see, hello space world. If I enter hello space world, this is converted. Why? Because small letters, all small I entered. Okay, if I enter all capitals, hello space world. See, W not converted, but this is again converted. First letter. Why? Greater than or equals to 97. If it is small only, convert it. Yeah, this is not 0. Sorry, it is 0. This is also 0. See, if I enter capital letters, hello space world. See this. But remaining letters we need to convert, right? Remaining letters we need to convert. Okay, how to convert remaining letters? How to convert remaining letters? Okay, else if I want to write if a of I is greater than or equals to 65 and a of I is less than or equals to 122, less than or equals to 122, then if it is capital letter, add. Okay, we need to add a of I equals to a of I plus 32. A of I is plus 32. Once execute this, if I enter all small letters, hello space word, see, okay, plus 32 or minus 32. If it is capital, if they are capital, yeah, sorry, not 65 to 90 days, not 122. Yeah, see this. If I enter all small letters, if I enter all small letter, H converted and W converted. Okay, if I enter capital letters, all capital letters, hello space world. See, H is capital and W also capital. I will enter some small letters and some capital letters also. See this? H converted and W converted. Clear this? Okay, guys, see, can you reduce the code? Do you have any ideas? I have written 3 if-else conditions. Can you reduce the code? Can I keep this one inside the loop? This A of 0 I have written separately. I have written separately. Yeah, Ikshwak. Can I reduce this code? Is there any chance? Rudbi. Sai Nikita. Did you understand this? Ruhina. Yeah, Lohit. Did you understand this?
Once explain it, sir.
Yeah, see, first one, see once, first letter, A of 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Lohit. A of 0 is
Yes, sir.
97 and 122. What is mean by 97 and 122? If it is small
ASCII values
letter,
of.
yeah, if it is small letter, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is small letter, convert a first letter. If it is small letter, convert to uppercase. 97 minus 32 means capital letter. Convert to uppercase. If
Yes.
it is small, convert to uppercase, first letter.
Yes, sir.
Now I am taking from index 1. Why? Because 0 value, 0 first character converted. First character converted. Okay. Next, what I am writing here, see. Here, what I am converting here, see. If it is after the space 1 to null character we are taking, after space, if it is space, go to the next character. Hello space world you are giving. Hello space world.
Yes,
Okay
sir.
now. If it is
Yes,
space,
sir.
32 means space. If it is space, after the space, next letter we need to convert. I plus plus means go to the next letter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you have to convert, when it is small, convert it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, after the word, after the
Okay, sir.
space, hello space word you are giving. Hello space word.
Yes.
Next letter convert them. Okay, what is this one? If I enter capital letters,
There is
if I enter
noise,
capital
sir.
letters, convert
65.
them. Convert to small letters. Except
Okay,
first
sir.
and after the space next letter. Convert remaining all characters to small case.
Small letters.
Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Can you reduce the code?
Sir,
Can you reduce the code?
Yes, sir.
sir,
Hmm?
I want to ask you one thing. In
Yeah.
first if condition, you write a of 0 greater than or equal to 97, no, sir.
Yes.
So we can replace that code. And we can write that a of 0, like we can do a for loop, I is equal to 0,
Okay.
so that we can reduce it.
Okay.
So in second, if we can get that condition, a of
Yeah,
0.
we check it once. This one. Instead of this, you are saying write I equals to 0, right?
It's,
Okay.
Yes.
We'll try. Now I will take 0 here. I will take 0. Okay. Forget about this. Okay. Should I change any code here?
No,
Not
sir.
required. Okay. If it is 65 and
We
90.
should change, because first thing space will be not there in the starting.
Hmm. Yeah, we check it. See, if I write, I enter hello space world. See, Ruhina, what is happening? This is converted, but this is not converted.
If you give space, then
sir, in if condition,
Hmm.
uh, we wrote a of I is equal to 32. We can add another condition on a of I equal to
Yeah.
0. I
Should I
equals
write like this? Yeah, phi equals 32 or
or
mm, first character. If it is a first
I
character, how
equal
can I
to
say? Can I write like this? I
I
equals to 0.
double equal to.
Should I write like this? If I equals to 0, first letter, but I plus plus, it will move to the next character, right? Yeah. This is only when it is space only we need to move. Did you understand the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other suggestions? Yeah, Prithvi. Is there any changes? Can we write any other way? I want to reduce the code. This is called code optimization. Code optimization means reducing the code in effective manner. You should ask to work effective.
Sir, can we give that situation I is equals to 0
Hmm.
in the as a first condition in this?
Yeah, we can give.
I equal to 0 or a of I equal to 30.
Yeah, phi equals to same thing, right? I am writing I equals to 0. If it is 0, if it is 0, then I plus plus, it will move to the next letter, right?
Actually, what my guess is, if we write I equal to 0 as a first condition, then it will check it. Um, if it is if it is true, then it will do. I guess.
Yeah, tell me. If it is the first letter, I want to convert it. If I equals to 0. Again, writing is that is same, right? Again. Yeah, if it is. See, guys, I will remove this. We check it once. I will remove this. See, we check it. If it is 97 122, what is mean by 97 122? If it is small letters, convert them. If it is a capital letter, when you have to convert to uppercase, that condition you have to, if it is 0, right? If it is 0 and in two situations only you have to write. If we have 0, first letter is small letter, convert it. Okay, we check it once. If I enter hello space world, everything converted to uppercase. Okay, we check it. If I enter capital letters, everything converted to small letters. Okay, here what I want to write, if it is small letter, this is 97 to 122, right? Here what I am trying to write, here I want to write if a of I equals to 32, if a of I equals to 32, if it is space, else if I am writing, guys see, else if a of I equals to 32, go to I plus plus, we check it that code, we try. If I enter all small letters, hello space world, W converted to small, we enter small letters, converted. Hello space world, W only converted and everything converted to uppercase. Yeah, is there any other logic? Do you have any other logic? Yesterday I have given this program. Did you write the code? Okay, previous one you follow. Yeah, how to write that logic? See, if possible, reduce the code. Otherwise, write this, follow this one only, right? If you have 0 equals to first character you are converting. After that, if it is space, if you have I equals to 32, okay, move to the next letter. How to move to the next letter? I plus plus. This is a move to the next letter, convert them. If it is small, then convert it, right? If we have greater than is 97 and a of I is less than or equals to 122, a of I equals to a of I minus 32. Okay, this is a conversion. Otherwise, remaining all letters we need to convert. Okay, how to convert? If it is capital, again, if a of I equals to greater than or equals to 65 and a of I is less than or equals to 90. Okay, then convert it. A of I equals to a of I plus 32. See this logic. Okay, I will execute this. If we enter the small statement missing semicolon, see one error, statement missing error. A of I equals to a of I minus 32. Yeah, I will enter small letters, all small letters. See this, H first letter not converted. A of 0 equals to 97. Here, remove this code from 1. Right from 1. I will enter hello space world. H converted, W converted. Some all capital letters. H converted, W converted. Some small letters, some capital letters. Okay, see this. H converted, W converted. Clear this? This is a converting to title case letters. Okay, if any possibility